Tyler,
a friendly word.
you worked in the U.S. government post office system for years.
Yes, I did.
Can you explain what the hell this is right here?
Well, it appears to be a package from down under. Was shipped for like about $67.95, which converts to about $50 in U.S. funds at the current rate.
Yeah?
It has a slight scent of Vegemite.
It smells different.
Oh, it smells like a fanny.
Ooh.
You guys down there will get that. So, okay, this is from
Peckerwood Customs. Mr. Aaron Henry.
Queensland.
Yeah.
This thing come a long ways.
Through the air, I think is what it said. Airmail? Yeah.
It didn't come by submarine.
Maybe came by jet.
No, the ships are all stuck out there. So.
Yeah.
There might be tarantulas.
Scorpions, tarantulas, murder turtles.
Joeys.
Murder turtles. Huntsman spiders.
Oh God, those things get huge.
What's that?
Huntsman spiders.
Ah.
Oh.
Fucking like this big.
Okay.
No,
Tarantulas are big enough. They get like this
Yeah.
big.
Quiet on the set.
Tom, we know how big tarantulas get.
That's not
Hey, boys. Special delivery from the Extreme Southern Correspondent. That's nice. Okay, first of all, look at the dude's handwriting. There's not even lines on this
It
paper.
looks like American.
I mean,
Oh my God.
There you go.
wait, does it?
Wrong way.
I can read it both ways. I used to print newspaper. I can read upside down.
This
That's
Australian Post.
Couple of bits and pieces I threw together for a care package. Got you some Vegemite to try.
I'll try it.
Here's the advice.
Step by step.
Here's the advice. It tastes like ass, straight up. But it's next level on buttered toast. So you're just tasting the butter?
For the toast.
Use it very sparingly. The butter, I guess. Some coolers for the coolers. Absolutely. A little something for Jabo's taillights. And some Aussie reading while sitting on the crapper.
Oh, jeez.
Keep up the good work, lads. Big Aaron.
Thank you, Aaron.
Pause and reread. Hell yeah, dude.
Wait. Aaron. Oh, sorry.
Aaron.
There you go. If you're from Australia, pause it. If you're from Europe or America.
No fucking way.
What is it?
No fucking way, dude.
Damn that. What the hell? That's cool. That is so cool.
What?
Jay's gonna be so pissed off when he sees this.
Wow.
Look at, dude.
Oh
it's
my
the
God.
Gouda.
It is.
How do you do that?
They glued it back
The
together.
roof's even the same. It's got.
Wow.
That's really fantastic.
Yeah, it's
Un-
Morgan Freeman mod
I
top.
would never.
Unreal.
She's all primered up.
I'd hang it from the rearview mirror.
Right?
That's
Oh.
Glue it to the dash.
good. Now we got to black out the bumpers and get those rims.
Okay, so it says 70. Obviously it's not, but
Look at that.
how,
you-
what the fuck?
Nobody noticed that.
Look at the license plate. Oh my.
A little sick. but
So that's the first thing I opened. so
that's
far.
cool as hell.
That's fucking amazing.
Jesus.
Is there a dent in the front fender?
Probably.
Yep. That's great. That's gold.
Amen.
Bogan is what it
I'll have to Google that.
fucking Bogan.
Somebody,
It's even flannel like us guys like to wear when it gets cold.
Cool flannel.
It don't get cold.
Because it's opposite.
Right. Okay. Onwards and upwards.
That's a picture that he put on there.
More Bogan.
More coolers.
Uh-oh.
Koozies.
This must be the Vegemite.
Ah.
That's cool. That's really
Ugh.
cool. I really like that.
It's the squeeze.
B vitamins for vitality.
Squeezy.
Squeezy. Probably Australian made and owned.
I gotta smell it.
Was it?
It's Vegemite.
Vegemite.
What's Vegemite?
It's not a
A
tarantula.
big thing in Australia.
Natural herbs and stuff.
I don't know.
Kind of.
Smells like burnt steak.
I want to smell it.
Oh, got to smell it.
You lick this whole thing off of there.
What do I-
Open your tongue.
Needs a beer.
Oh, he's gagging.
Needs a beer.
Here, let me smell it.
It's not good.
That's highly concentrated.
It said, didn't you hear us read the upside down letter? It said sparingly.
Wow.
All right.
You don't
Now it
like
might taste worse because Josh already licked it,
Kirby's
but
pretend.
Oh my god.
I don't want to smell it then.
Hopefully that's healthy.
it's not.
Ooh.
That shit is fine.
Did you taste
It
some?
smells like grease.
Are we gonna hallucinate or something now? Or
That is horrible.
Why do you guys eat that
Is that
stuff?
old? What
Is
year
it
is that made?
Standing on your head your whole life do that to you?
That's what they eat there.
Don't you? Oh,
You can't.
put
you
the
lost
cap
this-
on it.
You probably don't have any taste anyway.
It's
I'm gonna go home and
Wow,
get
that's
some
really
good
salty.
Australian bread. And
Okay.
it's like fermented A1 steak sauce.
It's kind of worse than that.
Ugh.
Okay, what else? Bag number 2.
Well, thanks, Aaron. We,
Yeah,
we
thanks.
all
Thanks a lot.
we all appreciate it.
Hey, we tried it without no qualms.
Yeah, take that one.
That is a.
Doesn't mix well with beer.
Oh,
Sorry.
That's horrible.
That's your nice sandwich.
Still
Can you imagine that?
Yeah, that's
Why'd
Okay.
they sing a song about this shit?
That's a big thing.
It's wicked pissa with some butter on toast.
No, it's just.
Oh,
Whoa!
215 Hemi.
oh, cool.
So that would have been the
Slant
slant
six.
6 Hemi.
Hemi. Yeah. Yeah, better put that
That's
on
for the
the.
cornet.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Look at that. It's a wheel cat. That is really
A
cool.
cat playing with a ball of yarn.
That real?
Yeah.
That is really cool. I wonder what that's off of.
Maybe
That's super cool.
probably came off of Mad Max's cop car.
Still bogan as fuck.
Ah,
More.
20-year supply.
Cubic inches.
We now have a 40-year supply.
No.
Thanks.
Yeah. No.
Oh, here, Josh. This is different. Try this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Aaron?
That's rough, man.
Aaron, that's thanks, but no thanks, I guess. Okay. We got
tastes like
some
those nasty black bean
Couth as fuck.
rock
Street
that I
Machine.
make all the time.
That's never. I
Just
never
think
ate
about
anything.
them. They had the lockdown over there.
Ooh, Boost.
Yeah.
all the boost.
Cool. $10 magazine.
Salty as fuck.
What is that?
$11 magazine. Street Machine.
Mopar Mayhem.
Is that Vegemite?
Oh, he's got something stuffed in there.
Ooh.
You had a lot.
Yeah. It was a
Jabo tail lights.
It's like
I don't know. I don't know what
think-
this affects.
Oh,
Oh, the
chrome.
the vinyl or the nice.
Drink it or something.
Oh, look at that.
No, it
Look
ain't
at the
no- It's whatever.
look at it's almost us.
It's
Sort of
ah,
spread.
wave.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I can't imagine.
Hell yeah, dude.
We celebrate Christmas there too.
What? Yeah,
In the summertime.
true. All right, and a fucking plate, man. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but these things, you buy them, right?
Yeah.
There's no sticker on it.
They cost a metric.
So
fuck ton of
yeah.
money.
Wow, that's cool.
Super 6.
So there's. yeah.
Hey, it's the Florida of Australia.
So, oh,
Sunshine.
that's pretty cool. And they're still stamped.
Yeah.
Or is this a new plate, I wonder? Or newish or 2012? Yeah, October 2012.
Cool.
So we've had these printed ones for,
A while now.
well, over 10 years.
Yeah.
Because my old plates were 10 years and they were printed.
Our prisoners are too lazy.
Right.
They can't stamp
Well,
it anymore.
no, they're not. No, they're entitled. That is neat. I like that.
Make sure we didn't miss anything.
I don't think we did. Man, I wonder what the wheel cap's from, the center cap. That's neat.
Ooh, ooh. What's the silver?
Oh,
cool.
We did miss stuff.
What's this here?
Jay's taillight insert.
Oh, okay.
Stuff.
Repco Universal. That is really neat. That's very Rat Finky.
Mm-hmm. Olympic.
Made tough for Australia. Was that a tire? It must be a
Burnout
tire, yeah.
tires.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Vector Wood Custom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So,
Mate's got us hooked up.
Yeah, sweet.
follow this journey.
Oh, let me grab the... Jesus, Tyler.
Hi.
Tybo. Damn it. I don't know how it's good.
Oh, the battery was running low on my koozie.
I'm sorry.
So, yeah, right there, huh? Sure. That's a heavy vinyl sticker, dude.
That's 10-year vinyl right there, people. Look at that, folks. Should we? Did anybody else get it?
One pissed off Australian's gonna get it. You voters keep making fun of me. Oh, hell yeah, dude. You got the smoking cigar.
Screaming, smoking chicken.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Blends right in.
I would just really appreciate next time if the white wasn't as white, so it'd match a little.
Come on, people.
Kind of like the heat and the prude.
Right.
Awesome.
Ben
Thank
came
you.
down here and color sampled with the camera and
Yeah, right. Well, thank you, Aaron.
yeah,
Boy, this van is disgustingly dirty.
bog and
Look at that.
hit it with the nose grease.
And the paint comes with it. Oh, that spot's nice.
Buffs right out.
Shittle buff. Shittle buff.
Well, yeah, heathens. From down south, from north to east to west. We thank you guys that have been subscribed to us. We thank you, Aaron Henry, for sending most cool.
7 nacho down there.
What the?
We keep finding Easter eggs all over it. What's the description? Will you change that?
Not for use with some Matchbox sets. May have too much bad acidness.
No, no.
Warning. Comes with 430 gears.
Correct.
It doesn't say that.
Damn it, Jeremy. If you guys want to send something and have it opened on the channel, go ahead and do it. You know, we like that.
No more
Custom.
Vegemite.
Yeah, we got enough Vegemite.
Yeah, no more Vegemite. But if you want to make like the triple pickle and send it to us, that'd be
Dude,
cool.
I would pay for that.
100% not a rape van,
Not a rape van.
steel van.
There's been 0 rapes in that van.
Made jelly.
We had somebody send this in. That's a cool thing.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah,
That was when we first started almost.
in the early inception of.
Yep.
Oh, even some of that stuff right there.
You betcha.
So if you want your stuff seen, go ahead and send it. We're not too proud to accept gifts.
No. Not at all.
So
Yeah, I just
thank you guys. And if you're new to the channel, please like, hit the bell for your notifications so you don't miss out on all the whatever we do. And comment and subscribe.
Yeah, comment. And watch the old videos.
All the way up the road
And
the hill to Marquette.
For all the old timers,
By the fire tower.
Duddy's not at 1,000 yet.
No,
And we're running out of time.
we're getting close, but you guys got to step up your
I
game.
said, what did I say, 3 weeks?
Yeah.
300 extra. 3 weeks to get them to 1,000. So 100 a week.
So
That
far,
might
I
be a
think-
little. And
I think only 30 have happened in that 3 weeks.
that's all right though. He's been doing some good ones. I've been watching
There's that house up on
the front axle build on the Death Charger,
all the way up the highway.
and boy, that guy struggles.
Struggles handsomely though.
Very handsomely, and I laughed my ass off when he bashed his head on that leaf spring on the shackle bracket on the.
Oh my god, I felt that.
Oh, I felt it in my brain, but luckily it's way far away from my skull.
Underneath all the hair.
It didn't hurt my brain.
Right.
Poor Duddy.
You know,
So, yeah.
Always there. Is that where you?
Like, share, subscribe, comment,
Do all that stuff.
come back.
We'll see ya.
Yeah, I never.
Bye.
And you go home.
All right. Do
We're
it.
not done.
Vegemite from Australia.
Whoa.
Nacho cheese from Duddy in Texas.
South versus South.
South versus more south.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that one's closed.
Ooh.
try the open one.
That's why none of us are gagging right now.
Oh wait,
Here it
maybe
comes.
we haven't removed the cap on either one of them. It's just like, oh.
Oh, gross.
Lick it.
Oh, more than that. Get a good heat.
Well, he said not to put too much on there.
Well, that's.
Is that enough?
You want me to do it for you?
No.
All right.
Yeah, he's great at it.
He's just. I can smell it from here.
Mmm.
Well,
You guys gotta try it.
No,
Actually
I'm
good.
not gonna
That's
try
like
it.
screwing the cap back on.
No, here. I'm gonna have more.
Squeeze out the cap, fool.
They're being a pussy.
Oh my God,
Oh,
look at
he's
him go.
really getting
Oh my
it.
God.
Wow.
Oh, he's in the pink meat. Are you serious? You like it?
Maybe not that.
You like that?
Yeah.
Do you?
It makes the nacho cheese even cheesier.
Really?
Yeah.
Famunda cheesier.
Yeah. Kind of tastes like a yeast infection.
Oh my god.
Damn it! What the fuck?
We gotta leave.
Hang on.
Oh,
This is
there.
Put it
dog.
over the. Just look over the alcohol.
Is that animal?
That's enough.
Is that animal abuse?
That is. Crikey. We're calling it a South now. See you on the upside of things.
I know. I know.
Poor dog.
Later, mate.